This combination leverages the vertical 2-petal flower turnaround, turning to the left, and then using the front plane counterclockwise C-cap, positions the poi in the 2 vertical positions to do the counterclockwise barrel roll, turning to the right, and strings these moves together. Note the artist is turning both left and right to ensure they prevent themselves from getting dizzy by balancing the cochlea in the bidirectional turning. This also creates more visual interest and balance in the performance. In each case, the artist is still leveraging the same vertical 2-petal flower, although a variation using the horizontal for either of the patterns would work as well.